Hello everyone, this is Shri Roy of Grade 10 from KIT International School,
And this is Vatsal Mahapatra of Grade 10 from KIT International School.
and we have developed a toy named Untold Stories. As you can guess from the name, it is about the untold stories and hidden gems of our country which the children should learn about.
Toys. Toys are the integral part of a child's childhood. Our toy has a historical and cultural approach. There are many hidden gems in our country that are still unknown and have great importance. Thus, our motto is to bring the uniqueness, the importance, the beauty of these hidden gems to the limelight of the world.
So in a fun way, a child can learn about the history of India which seems so boring to them when explained theoretically. Now let me go on to the mechanism of this toy. So there is a dice, so the child will throw the dice and suppose it came on number 2. So they will select Untold Story of number 2. So this untold story, when we have selected, they will read the untold story. It is designed in a way which is very suitable for the children. After reading this untold story, if they can guess the state, it's well and good. If they can't, then they can move on to the riddles of the particular state and they can read that same riddle of the untold story. After this, there will be a colored marble which is written over there. So after this, if they can guess the state, they will choose a colored marble which will be provided to them, and then they can put it into the state which they think the answer is. So if I have put it into the state, after completing this whole mechanism, after completing this whole game, they can check into the answer flashcard which will be provided to them in the same number. So for example, the number came as 2, so they will select the answer flashcard of 2 and then they can read the answers. And this is a single player game. We are also developing an electronized version of this game where there will be 4 buttons placed over there. So after throwing the dice, for suppose the number 2 came, so they will select the button. After selecting a button, a random riddle will come. It can be an untold story also, it can be a riddle also. After that, they will place a marble where they think the place will be. So after selecting the marble, they will, if the answer is correct, it will be displayed on the screen and a green color button will glow, and if it is wrong, then it will be again displayed on the screen and a red color button will glow. Based on if it is correct or wrong, they will go up and down. After this, if it is wrong and they want to know the correct answer, they can select on the second second button and they will get to know the correct answer. So this is how the electronized version is there. We are hoping to make people learn about the history of India and the culture of India in a very fun way and reach it out to the mass of people.